close to her. Okay, I want Danny and Aaron up next because we're going to be playing a game of our favorite fighting fishing game, sound effects. And we're going to have to borrow a couple more microphones. But right now, we're going to have 2 more volunteers out of the audience. For those of you who have seen this before, this is just a quick description. Sound effects is a game whereby, because we're invited, we can have sound effects. If we don't have a sound effects machine, music, we have you guys. So we're going to ask for 2 audience volunteers so we can have 2 who will create all the sound effects for our next scene. Okay? So, you with the gigantic sword are too extravagant here. We're going to go for the weird Pokemon in the back. We know the volunteers say yes in the red way. Shot in the dark, we're going to get one sound out. How many years do we actually have a mudkip at class? That wasn't you, Mudkip, it's okay. Sorry if I walked in front of the monitors.
How'd you
talk to the
Put it in your mouth.
He ate it! And for the record, we have Mudkip here, and over there, what's your name?
Cross from Hickory Man.
Cross, sure, Cross. Mudkip and Cross. Actually, I'm going to ask you guys to sit a little more over here so you can see the action. Actually, if I can ask you, this is actually terrible. And Cross, you can sit in the equivalent place on that side. We want you guys to be able to see the action here because these guys are going to be going through their next scene. And we need you guys to create all the sound effects they're going to use in the next scene. So, Mudkip, I'm going to ask you to make all the sound effects for Danny here. Okay? And Cross, you make all the sound effects for Aaron over there, alright? So Mudkip, in case, let's say Danny was walking a dog. What would that dog sound like? Okay? And if Aaron was walking his velociraptor, Cross, what would that sound like? Okay. Very large velociraptor. Okay. The weight problems. I do like the fact that if you haven't noticed, the set here looks kind of like gigantic fangs sticking up from his ground for some reason. So I want you guys let's do some sort of like big game fishing for piranhas or something with gigantic teeth or something like that. Because we have fishing for piranhas or something. Okay, so with all sounds like my butt fishing for piranhas. Go. Well, Danny, you arrived at Mordor.
I'm hungry for piranhas.
As am I. My stomach's just growling.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
I'm not growling that loud. I can eat 99 piranhas right now. I don't have to put my stomach for piranhas.
I think it's a symphony being caused by both the stomach. Yeah, because we are right in front of a piranha lake. Alright, the piranha lake, it's making this weird, calm, soothing sound too, isn't it? Reminds me of Snake Lake that's nearby. This is a piranha lake. So.
I don't like the Snake Lake at all.
Well, you know, there's snakes.
Let's catch some piranhas.
Let's.
Alright, what's the first thing? I haven't been piranha fishing before. You're the expert. Why don't you tell me how to catch some piranhas?
Well, we could use a fishing rod, but I heard there's something better.
I don't think that'll work. The fishing rod.
Yeah, exactly.
Go on that.
We have to have some kind of...
They have big teeth. They're like, it's kind of scary.
They're like giant mouse traps on rope.
Wait, what's that about?
It's a giant piranha!
My goodness.
I don't think these piranhas want to get caught.
No, I guess not.
So we need to I need to prepare this giant mouse trap. I'm just going to pull up on it. And it's really old and creepy.
Oh, don't hurt yourself.
Please
set it.
And make sure you don't let go, okay?
Okay, I won't let go. What? Oh, I'm so sorry. You okay, Daddy?
Well, my leg is trapped in a gigantic mouse trap.
You know what? I'm going to help you.
I'm so glad you're a close friend, because anyone else would use me as bait right now.
Actually, good idea.
That giant piranha, is it still coming?
Oh, no. Oh, dear. Okay, Danny, I'm just going to adjust you in the boat here.
Yeah, can you get me out?
Alright, I'm just going to adjust this in the boat here. Oh, what?
I'm sorry, but I'm injured.
You're not injured yet. I have a question, Danny. Are piranhas like sharks? Is it like blood? Is that what attracts them?
I don't. Yes.
Alright, I'm just gonna grab some from the boat. I'll help you up in a minute.
That looks sharp.
It is sharp, Danny. Do you like hearing news in the news?
I love news in the news. Isn't that some power of love?
That's all
I should have used some numbers.
Turn it on right now.
That's the power of love.
Alright, that's great. Hey, Danny, guess what? Piranha time! Okay, stop there, guys. Thanks. Okay. Thanks to Cross and Mudkip here. Thank you very much.
Well, that's hot.
I've never seen anybody get that close before.